Okay, this is a 2021 Toyota Corolla. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. The alarm is already set because what happens when you buy these cars from factory, they do not come with any type of impact sensor. So by adding the shock sensor, it gives you all the tire protection so you don't wake up in the morning when your car's on full brakes or somebody will break your window and jump in. What happens, these alarms only go off if somebody opens the door, but nobody's going to do that. They'll break your window and jump in or take your tires with no need to open the doors. With the sensors already got installed, I'm going to go ahead and bang on the tire. You'll see it's going to fire off. Turn it off, you hit unlock. I'm going to rearm it. Once you arm it, factory alarms have a little delay, so it will take about 20 seconds, and then it will be armed again. It gives you a little picture of on the driver's side. It has a little picture of a little car. Once you arm it, it will be solid, and then after 20 seconds it will start flashing, and that means that the alarm is ready for you. I'm just going to bang on this back window and let it set it off, and you guys can see that the alarm is going to protect the windows also. It also protects the other side of the car. It's all around the whole car. This alarm was installed here. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're out of state, give us a call and we can guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible. I'm going to go ahead and bang on this back window. Thank you for watching this video. The numbers is 305-298-4814. Shock sensor add-on this 2021 Toyota Corolla.